जय श्री राम महाराज।
नहीं मिला बच्चे सही राकेश ठीक है पुत्र दे वो डरा रहा है हमारे को।
जय श्री राम भाई।
जय श्री राम। हमारे को we heard a snoring sound, we got scared. We were not sure ये आवाज किस चीज की है। चलो सच्चिदानंद सदगुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। पुत्र, today Baba has been thinking of talking about Janma and Mrityu, birthday and the death day. Why are we so excited of celebration of a birthday, and why are we so sad in a celebration of a departure day? But some departures are celebrated with a lot of pomp and show, but most are very sadly departures. On a social aspect, it has a different meaning, and on a spiritual aspect, it has a complete different meaning, or complete two different meanings. I thought this was something Baba brought up on Thursday, and we thought we'll discuss today. That why Janma and Mrityu celebration what it should be, why it should be, and why it should not be, and why the day of death, the way celebration should be. That's very important, Putter. Okay. So what is important here is that we are very excited when a baby born, takes place. Super, everybody is excited. It's a birth happening. Celebration and sweets and, you name it and everything goes on. Some may not be, but it happens. At least a mother has a happiness who is given the birth. Simple. Family may be expecting a miracle to happen, but it's a happiness for the mother, what she does. Now, a birth, imagine one thing. The birth is just not the birth of a child or birth of a pet, a birth of a plant. Imagine, birth is just not a birth given to a child. Birth can be in any forms. You may have taken a pot, which you started taking care of. You may take even a bird or a pet you're taking care of. So Janma can be of various aspects. A business you develop is also a Janma. You give a birth to a business. Now, what does this signify, this birth aspect? And why there is happiness, but what is the lack of understanding when we are talking about Janma, the birth? What is the lackness? What is that we're not understanding, Putra? So what we're not understanding is that a soul is born. A soul has been given a body. Now, if a soul has been given a body, the celebration should be there has another opportunity for that soul to get a moksha. So celebration should be towards what? That one more soul has come to get moksha. Every year when we celebrate a birthday, we should target towards moksha. Now we cannot get moksha. Moksha is something Bhagavan has to give us. But we start to work towards realization, mukti, freedom. We need to move on towards the life. Some people say, I don't want to celebrate my birthday. Please don't celebrate your birthday. Plus, please do celebrate that you have an opportunity to connect with Bhagavan. You have an opportunity to connect. Why? Because only in a human form you have this opportunity. You can make it a big event. You can have, banquet hall booked, and you can have online streamings and whatever. Some people may say, you know what? I don't know. The child or whatever I've taken care of may not be the right in state of mind, may not be in the right frame of mind, may not be in the right intellectual understanding. Could be so many factors in that, right? But still a soul is born, has got a cover. एक आत्मा को एक शरीर मिला है, एक आत्मा को एक कवच मिला है. A body has got a shield, a cover to bhakti. That is the cause of her birth. Now you can take this in any other way, Putra. You can take it in. What other ways we can take this, Putra? What are the other ways we can understand this? So what is, let's understand this. When we talk about birth, janma, what are we need to understand? That every birthday, from the day it is coming, are we progressing? Are we teaching a child to get connected from the childhood? Are we giving him I, we, or him? What are we giving our children? What are we teaching them? Are we more protected towards them? Are we more conservative towards them? Are we too liberal towards them? What are we doing? What kind of a development of thoughts are we giving them? Have we really thought that every birthday which we celebrate must be taken a step forward towards realization of your birth? अगर आपने जन्म को जन्म समझा ही नहीं, तो फिर जन्म कौन लेगा दोबारा? We, somewhere or the other, we must have the understanding that we have gone a blessed body. We have gone a blessed darshan. We can see Bhagavan. We can pray. We can make a difference in people's life. We can make a difference in my life. I may be all alone. I may be surrounded by nobody. I have a more opportunity now to connect. Because that seed which has come to be a little plant, to grow like a tree over the year's time, may give different fruits, needs to be nurtured in the right manner. एक बीज जो माता पिता अपने गर्भ में पालते हैं, उसको बाहर लाके जिम्मेदारी किसकी है? बच्चे को जन्म देना ही सब कुछ नहीं. Giving a birth, also animals and birds do too. Why a human form birth? Why? And even if you have to understand, it is not necessary all the time that we are doing something. If we all, suppose I live in a forest, I live alone, I have nobody with me. What am I supposed to do? You are supposed to value your birth. first. Then start working, because now you have more opportunity to connect. Third, this is your time to give in everything. You have no strings attached. You have more possible chances to grow. A birth must be considered a celebration. What? That every birthday of a child, even yours or mine, anybody's birthday can be transformed to what? Having a havana, homam, yagya. And the yagya should be what? Yagya should just not be, let's do a Gayatri Mantra yagya and do it. No. If you want to do that, you do complete mala of Gayatri. You do complete mala of Mahamrityunjaya. You do complete mala of Hanumanji. You be a Kartike, Ganapati, Saraswati. To make it a Mahayagya of that day. So child remembers every birthday. Every birthday we will have a Mahayagya at home. Why? This will be a form to connect. He's going to ask you one day. Suppose you don't believe in Yagya. Let's say this part. Now you've never seen all this thing. You've never understood all this. What's next now? Have you understood chanting? Naam Simran. Follow that. That very day, sit for yourself and say, today I'm going to make at least 100,000 times. I'll do it today. I'm just giving an example. Maybe 10,000 times I'll do it. 1,000 times I'll do it. I will do beyond my regular days. I will sit and do it today. There are various ways to connect to Bhagavan. It is not just one. भगवान से जुड़ने के कई रास्ते हैं. 9 रूप भक्ति के हैं, पर मार्ग आपको चुनना है. We are always excited of a birth, which is beautiful. We should be. But do we value our birth, or we are only in pain and sorrows all the time? सारा जीवन क्या दर्द और रोना है, या उसको पाना, या उसको ना पा पाने का डर भी है? हम अपने बच्चों के लिए रोते हैं. We cry for our family people. Do we ever cry for him? कि प्रभु अगर ये जीवन चला गया, we won't be able to get you. अगर हमने जीते जी आपको नहीं पाया, we won't be able to get you. If we are in body form, cannot get you, we cannot get you. I'm just crying just to get you. How do I get to you? Show me your light, show me your path. Enough of my life, enough of my calculations, enough of my everything. Where is the time for me to connect to you? When am I going to sit in a day's time and do very simple? Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 This one chanting shook Prabhu Narayan and was forced to get into Bhakt Prahlad. He was forced to get into Bhakt Dhruv. He was forced. You have all the powers with you to get Bhagavan to you. You have all the ammunition what you need to get to Bhagavan. आपके पास हर तरह का यंत्र मंत्र तंत्र सब कुछ है. You got everything. Like you have all the ingredients in your kitchen to cook a nice meal. You do regular groceries to get the best for your family. So when will you do the right grocery and right ingredient to get to Bhagavan? आप किस दिन शॉपिंग करोगे और सब लेकर आओगे कि हमें आज भगवान को पाना है? वो सारी जो भी फल सब्जियां मसाले कब लाओगे भगवान को पाने के लिए? When will that be? Don't you think we need a day and time with it? We are losing our time. Every birthday we are excited to celebrate surprise parties. Right? We are very fond of surprise parties. We don't want to tell what's happening. Whom you don't want to tell? No. I've got a lot of friends of his. Special food is being cooked. Right? And it'll be amazing fun till midnight. And then there's a DJ and there's a PJ and there's CJ. Everybody's there. And the best part is, he likes it on the rocks. But why don't you be on the rocks yourself? Why can't you make that birthday celebration a day for all your friends and families to come and do some chanting for yourself? Why can't they all come in bhakti? Why they only want to come for food? Why they only want to have a fashion show? Why not a Ram show? Shri Ram, 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 Sai Ram, Ram, Ram. 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 Shri Ram, Ram, Ram. Sai Ram, Ram Ram, Shri Ram, Ram Ram, 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 Sai Ram, Ram Ram. You know how all the time we are very worried. I have to send them to school. I have to nurture them with the right kind of nutrients to my plants. I have to get the right kind of food for my pet. I want to get right kind of gas in my car. Right kind of a service needs to be done. I need to get my whole home painted. I need to bring them new furniture. So much are we thinking of every birth we give to. New home, new car, plants, pets, everything. We are so concerned about their safety. We are so concerned about their well-being. We want to get the doctor when my pet is not well. We want to get a mechanic when my car is not working. Please make sure it is done rightfully. I want to get a right kind of chemical so that my plant doesn't get any insect to it. The fruits doesn't get impacted by that. If you're so concerned, why are we not concerned that we are not giving them the right direction of bhakti, of realization? Why? Why don't we make them sit with us and tell them, Mere bachcho, we are just your biological parents, but there's the parent above us. Why? हम इस शरीर के माता पिता हैं, इस आत्मा के नहीं. We are only parents to the body, not to the soul. The soul belongs to somebody else. हम सिर्फ उस आवरण के माता पिता हैं. Who will tell the children? My request to all of you is, please think on these terms. कि जन्म, birth, day of birth celebration must be a day of realization. Day of birth must be a day of teaching. Day of birth must be a day of guidance. Day of birth must be a day of only celebrating with him. A day of birth, let everybody come and celebrate with him. A day of birth must be surrendered and given to him. A day of birth must be compared from the last day of birth we celebrated in the last year. What progress have we done? A day of birth must be a thoughtful day of a journey going forward. A day of birth must be planned in a manner that what is going to happen to the end of my life. A day of birth, is it required to plan from now, what do I need to do on a day-to-day basis so that my next birthday becomes a birthday of realization, a day of enlightenment, day of becoming next Gautam Buddha, a day of becoming next Nanak, a day of becoming next Sai. Why not? A day of becoming next Swami Shivananda, Chidananda. Who knows? Next Shankaracharya. Next Neem Karoli Baba. Next Sachidanand. Next Yogananda Paramhansa. Next Ramakrishna. Next Vivekananda. Next Jalaram Baba. You name so many saints. That should be the birthday celebration. That should be birthday, day of birth.
बाबा जी एक क्वेश्चन बाबा जी
हाँ
फ्रेंड्स को आपने बोला ना इफ फ्रेंड्स आर नॉट इन द सेम माइंडसेट मैंने कभी कभी बुलाने का मन करता है चैंट करने का मन करता है बर्थडे ना होकर कभी नवरात्रि हो या कुछ और भी फेस्टिवल्स हो लाइक इफ बट अदर फ्रेंड्स आर नॉट इन द सेम जोन टू चैंट सो उस वक्त जस्ट टू बी विद द फैमिली के साथ चैंट करना बेटर है या फोर्सफुल कर कर बुलाकर चैट करना मैंने कैसे उस टाइप में कभी कभी आता है करने का लेकिन इफ दे आर नॉट विलिंग टू डू इट मैंने वो उस बात में नहीं है तो तब किस तरह हैंडल करते हैं करने का
मेरी बिटिया, इट इज वेरी सिंपल.
हाँ
हमारा काम है खाना बनाएंगे, परोसेंगे. आपकी इच्छा हो प्लीज आओ, सब
हाँ।
मिलकर खाएंगे.
जरूर
We will cook, we will prepare satsanga, we will prepare Naam Simran, we'll do everything. We want you to please come and join us. If you have, please come. They come very good, they don't come very good. You cannot change anybody else, you can change your own self. Why worry? They will come or not come. Right? There are ways we can put a different paragraph, but no, put it blunt. This is what we are doing. Would you love to join us? Once a month, we will be having a Shivratri Day celebration, and 1008 times we will be doing Mahamrityunjaya. See what happens.
Yes, Anita is sending every month, Babaji, but me as per मैंने जैसे आपने बोला कर रहे हैं लेकिन एवरी मंथ शेयर करेंगे जिसको आपने जैसे बोला ज्वाइन होना है तो ज्वाइन होंगे नहीं तो
मेरी
कंटिन्यू
बच्ची, it's very simple, मेरे बच्चे. If it is raining outside, बरसात हो रही है, आपको बाहर निकलना है, मुझे नहीं. अगर भीगना चाहते हो तो बाहर आना पड़ेगा. If you want to get wet in the rain, you have to come out, no? The rain is not coming inside. You have to come outside.
come on.
Yeah.
You have to come out of your comfort zone to enjoy the rain.
Yes.
तो फिर हम ये क्यों सोचें? We are open. We love to everybody to come. Hari Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Sai Om Namo Narayana. Baba Om Namo Narayana. Hari Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Sai Om Namo Narayana. Baba Om Namo Narayana. Hari Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Sai Om Namo Narayana. Baba Om Namo Narayana. Hari Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Sai Om Namo Narayana. Baba Om Narayana. So this is an example, mera bacha. People who are here, who are together, can only sing this, no? जो यहाँ है नहीं, उनको क्या पता क्या हो रहा है? If you want to have something special, what do? You find a place. That restaurant has special kulcha nutri. We'll go there only. Right? That restaurant has a very special dish. We'll go there. We locate, right? We find for it. We search for it. So why can't we search this? कि राम कहाँ है? मेरे मन में है राम. मेरे तन में है राम. मेरे घर में है राम. मेरे कण में है राम. कण कण में है राम. Every single particle is Ram. Simple. Right? So now we move from death towards birth towards death. Janm or Mrityu now. We move towards the life. So most of the people in the family, they are very sad. Right? They're very sad. Oh, body left. Person gone. Your body won. Person did not go. Only the karmas left with the soul. Now, are you crying because you lost somebody? Why are you crying? Or somebody very dear left you? Or are you crying that within the body, the person, the soul could not get the mukti? What is the reason of your cry? Social? Attachment? Or that the person could not reach the destination in this birth? अगर मृत्यु हुआ है, रोने का कारण अगर सिर्फ परिवार से बिछड़ना है, तो मूर्खता है ना? क्या शरीर में रह के उस आत्मा ने परमात्मा को नहीं पाया, इसलिए रो रहे हो? किस लिए रो रहे हो? That we did all the efforts, still the soul could not get to Bhagavan. अगर मृत्यु शरीर की हुई है और आत्मा प्रकाश बनकर निकल गई है, तो इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. If the only body has died, but the light of soul has become a light of the power, it's done. What are we searching every day? You are good. I don't want to talk to that person. I don't want to this. I don't. Why? What is it? Try to win a battle which will lead you towards him. Don't try to win a battle which will lead you nowhere. अगर जीतने का शौक है तो उसको जीत कर दिखाओ. कुछ पाने का शौक है, उसको पाके दिखाओ. You really want to win him. You really want something, try to get him. Then it is beautiful. We're always looking for what? Some pies. We don't want the cake. Is it not? This pie, one pie. Why not me? Why can't I get one pie? Everybody gets it, right? Why not me? I want to give you a cake, not a pie. But I only want a pie. What do? I want to serve you with the whole cake. But nahi, Baba, just give me a slice of my choice. I don't want the cake of your choice. मुझे वो चाहिए जो मैं चाहता हूं. मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए जो तू चाहता है.
कभी कभी वही चाहिए जो मैं चाहता हूँ.
तुझको जीना है जी, सब्र के घूट पी. शुक्र कर तू के ये जिंदगी मिल गई. शुक्र कर तू के तूफान हजारों मिले. शुक्र कर तू के साईं शरण मिल गई. शुक्र कर साईं शरण मिल गई. जितना भी गमों ने घेरा हो, जितना भी गमों ने घेरा हो, साईं का दीप जला लेना. चाहे शाम हो चाहे सवेरा हो. तुझको जीना है जी, सब्र के घूट पी. शुक्र कर तू के ये जिंदगी मिल गई. शुक्र कर तू के तूफान हजारों मिले. शुक्र कर तू के साईं शरण मिल गई. चल चलना है चल, तेरी एक मंजिल. तेरा एक ही माझी, तेरा एक मसीहा, तेरा एक ही मौला. चल चलना है चल, तेरी एक मंजिल. There is only one destination, just one. There's only one friend. There's only one guide. There's only one path. There's only one journey. It's only once in a lifetime. Just once. One and only one. What are we supposed to do? We need to be fearing on a day-to-day basis. I am not able to go close to Bhagavan. मेरा एक दिन और चला गया, मैंने भगवान से दोस्ती नहीं की. I lost one more day of an opportunity to connect with him. And nowadays, what do we fear? I lost one more day of no income. I lost one more day or no extra income. I lost one more day not eating what I wanted to eat. I lost one more day I did not call a friend. I lost one more day I did not do a vacuum of my home. I lost one more day I did not put gas in my car. When will we put gas in this car? This is not refuelable, huh? This car is not refuelable. Fuel is already set, tank is full, tight. So that means it is a limited edition only. But where and how will it end is up to you. How do you want to end is up to you. How do you want to drive is up to you. तो व्हाट डू वी डू विद दैट? क्या करें उसके लिए? सिंपल काम करते हैं ना उसके लिए। ओम नमः शिवाय, 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 ओम नमः शिवाय। तो मृत्यु is confirmed, death is certain, but we should not die before the death. मृत्यु से पहले मरे नहीं। मृत्यु से पहले क्या करें? Before the death, what we should do? Get the cake, not the pie. What do? We need to start working on it. Start working on what? Before I am done, before my time and call comes, I want you in my life. I want you, I want you, I want you, and I want to get you through. No matter what, I want to. बाबा कहना एक भजन है, बहुत सुंदर भजन है कि उसकी जस्ट लाइन मेरे को याद आ रही है, भजन नहीं याद आ रहा पूरा, कि आ गया एक बार फिर नहीं जाता। I'm just trying to remember. बहुत सुंदर भजन है बाबा का, बहुत सुंदर भजन है। आ गया I'll remember that, सुनाऊं करके, और बहुत सुंदर है कि once he comes, then he's not going to go. Once you are able to bring him in, then he's yours. Then you need to fill him with the bhakti ras so that he's tight inside. You all have to think, what do we need to do on a day-to-day life to get to him? सिर्फ उनकी पूजा आराधना अर्पण करना भी भक्ति है, लेकिन उस भक्ति को उसको इतना बढ़ा दो कि वो पागल हो जाए। वो सोचे कि कब दरवाजा खोल के मेरे पास आएंगे, कब मेरे को मिलेंगे, कब मुझे देखेंगे, कब मैं उनको देखूंगा। He can see, but he waits. Make a relationship of that. Child was asking, what is the difference? The difference is, when you go to Bhagavan, it should be full of devotion and love to him. 100% focused on that. If you're not focused 100%, you're not going to get anything. What do we need to do? जन्म मृत्यु का कारण, reason of life and death. We must be scared and worried. We're losing every day to get him. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. Loka sukhino bhavantu. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. Shri Satchidananda Sadguru Sainath Maharaj ki jai. All of you have a very blessed time. Please, 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 please. Nivedan hai, request to all of you. Please start worrying about कि मुझे राम कैसे मिलेंगे, कैसे पाऊं राम को इस जन्म में, कि राम करे तुम राम के हो जाओ, सब कुछ बिसरे बिसरे न राम।